Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna try Israeli snacks. I got them here in Singapore. In the shop they have it 24 Waterloo Street. So I'm gonna show you everything I got from there. Look at that. Ta-da! Okay, let's unpack and see all the snack I got. I have so many stuff here. I can't really wait to try. Okay, so here's a bill. It was $66. Of course, I bought a little bit more stuff. So it's around probably like around $55 for all of that. Okay, so here everything I got, and I'm going to introduce one by one to you. So let's start with that. This one is called Bissli. The flavor is a pizza flavor. This one's similar, but then the flavor is a grill flavor, barbecue. And then this one is onion flavor. And then I got also here the Doritos. So I think it's similar, the shape is just similar to what Doritos we have, but the flavor is chamutz harif. So chamutz is mean like sour, and then harif, it's spicy. So sour, spicy in the same time. And then this one is the same as Lay's, but the flavor, it's like, they call it taco chips, crunch, betam mexicani. Betam mexicani means like Mexican flavor. And then I got here the Bamba. So the Bamba, it's like kind of like a peanut butter puff. So I think it's something like very similar to the cheese puff we have. So I got this one, but then this is similar to that, but with chocolate nougat inside, which is quite promising. And then I got here the nuts. This one called almandos. So it's a spicy flavor. I don't know what the word almandos came from. So I don't know, it's just spicy flavor. And then I got all these chocolates. So this one called Klik. So I have like this one is balls, that's how they call it. Klik Khum Levan, it's like brown and white. This one is just like probably the same one, just like chocolate flavor. This one called Kariot. So Kariot, it's pillows, so it's chocolate pillows. And then this one, they call it like, I think this one is Oogie. I don't know, it's like maybe biscuit or Oogie from the word Ugia. Cookie covered with chocolate. And then this one, it's cornflakes. Cornflakes, as you know, but here they call it like cornflakes Klik, and yeah, it's just cornflakes with chocolate. And I got here these cookies. So they say like עוגיות ממולאות בקרם קפה ושבבי שוקולד מריר. So it's like cookies filled up with like coffee cream and chocolate and dark chocolate. So let's try one by one. Okay, I'm gonna go start on this one. So this is Bissli, extra long pizza. So probably it's pizza flavor. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Actually, it smells like pizza. It's quite like interesting smell. Not super crunchy. Yummy, I like it. Ew. I like this one. Okay, let's move to the next one. I'm going to move to the same one, same Bissli, but the flavor is going to be barbecue flavor. Okay, so the shape here is different. Oh, look at the shape, it's quite interesting. You see? Oh wow, this is really tastes like barbecue flavor, like the smells and everything. But I like the pizza more. Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna try the next one. I'm gonna do like the onion flavor. Wow, they all taste exactly like they promised on the packaging. Yummy. So if you want to say yummy in Hebrew, you say ta'im. 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 So that's mean like yummy. So now I'm going to try to mix them all together. I'm going to try one of the onion flavor, one of the barbecue, and then one of the pizza. Look at that. I got all mixy. Mixy one. Okay, I don't know what I'm trying. I don't know what I'm trying. It all tastes the same to me now. Okay. Actually, it's going super well together. Maybe I should offer them to do like a mixed flavor. Because this is super yummy. Okay. I'm going to move to this one. It's called Bamba. So this one, it's peanut butter puffs. Okay. Look at that. So you see, it's like it's very easy, nice shape. Quite yummy. So it's also like melt in your mouth. So if I'm just putting it in my mouth, like, and go on. Actually, I think it's good for kids because it's like easily melting. Oh wait, I'm gonna try the Bamba. I have a good idea. Okay, because it's a circle thing. I'm gonna try the Bamba, put inside the Bissli. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's quite weird because you don't feel the Bamba anymore. Okay, if I try with the pizza one. This is going better. Okay. I try with the barbecue because they're all savory snacks, so I think it's kind of like I'll put my barrier. Okay. The experiment is done. Experiment is over. Okay. I'm gonna try now. Okay, I want to try this one. The Mexican flavor Lay's. Okay. Look. Okay, maybe Israeli doesn't know what spicy means, but this is not spicy at all. Ta'im. So actually it looks like super spicy when you look at that, but it's not spicy. I mean, there's some flavor to it, maybe like more like paprika flavor. But not bad. Okay. I'm gonna try now the Doritos one. Wow, that's actually smell like so soury. Okay, look at this. It's the same shape as the Doritos we already know. Oh wow. So you get like a kick of like sour and then they said like spicy. I don't know, maybe the spicy in Israel is different, but I don't get spiciness out of it. I don't get spicy out of it at all. Okay, if I try spicy, and then I'm trying like the Mexican flavor together. Wow, I like this one together. That's actually elevated like a new snack. So you can do it Israeli learn using the Mexican flavor plus like the Doritos like sour and spicy and try. Okay, I don't mind it. Yummy. Okay, so I'm done with all. Oh no, I have one more. And I got here like the spicy. That's supposedly to be like spicy nut. Let's see if it's spicy. Okay. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, yummy. I like it. I mean, it's not spicy. You can even add it to a salad, like just to add like a crunch on a salad or something. Well, I like this one a lot. Wait, this one is the Bamba. Okay. I'm getting that and Bamba together. Mmm. Yummy. Because there's no spice to it, but it's a bit of like savory, I mean, not strong flavor, but it's like, there's some kind of spiciness to it. Maybe like more like a bit of like spicy paprika, but it's not really like spicy one. Let's see the ingredients. I don't know, just say spice. I didn't say which spices I already put inside. So there's spices, but we don't, actually there's a kick of a spiciness into it. But I like it with the Bamba together. Okay, so now let's try the savory sweet one. So this is called Bamba Nougat. There's like Bamba and Nougat flavor, and Nougat chocolate inside. How do you open that? Wow. Oh my god. Okay, this is how we look inside. So it's a chocolate and Bamba covered. So it's coated. It's like chocolate coated with Bamba. Oh, yummy! Wow! Oh, yummy. Okay. But actually, it's the perfect thing to clean your mouth because I had so many savory snacks. And then now I got like savory sweet, so I can easily go like to eat like sweet now. So I think it's a good like, kind of like mouthwash. Okay, I'm gonna try now this one. It's a Klik Oogie. Let's see. No, the Klik biscuit. Let's see. Look at that. Okay. Oh, quite nice. So it's like a cookie, like a biscuit cookie, and then coated with chocolate. Yummy. I like chocolate. Okay, babe, no, don't need too much here. Okay. Yummy. Okay, I want to move to it's a Klik cornflakes. Yes. Okay. So it's same as you eat like cornflakes with chocolate. Quite nice. But this is more like cornflakes flavor than chocolate. And it's a country chocolate. Okay. And moving to the balls from the circles one. Let's see. This is quite difficult to open. Okay. Ah! So it's also crunchy. You got a cookie inside, or biscuit inside, I don't really know. Let's see. So it looks like that inside. Oh, there's a biscuit inside. Let's see this one. You could see the cornflake, but it's not yellow anymore. The color changed. Okay, let's see this one. The two flavor, the vanilla and chocolate one. Okay, so you look like that. So you got like chocolate and vanilla together. Let's see. I don't see much difference. Maybe try just only vanilla by itself. Okay, the vanilla is not the best quality. I love vanilla chocolate, but this is like okay quality for the vanilla. I still prefer the milk chocolate more. And then let's move on to the pillows chocolate. זה חטיף קליקריות. The same here is like the מילוי נוגת מצופים שוקולד חלב. It's like fill up with nougat, so the pillows fill up with nougat and then coated with chocolate. Wow, okay, that's promising already. Please be a pillow shape. Okay. It is a pillow shape. Wow, look at that, it's even thick. It's a pillow. Yummy. Oh wow, that's too sweet. Wow. Wow, was that way too sweet? Okay, last one we have to try. Ta-da! I'm going to try the coffee cookie. Let's open it up. Okay, looks like this. Okay. Wow, when you cut it to the middle, when you bite into it, you can kind of get an aroma of coffee flavor. Look at that. Yeah, it is coffee and chocolate. But the coffee smell is so strong. Maybe I should try to like kind of like dip it with milk. I think it will be better. So that was for today. I tried all the snacks here and it's pretty yummy. Let me know if you try Israeli snacks and which one you like more. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.